Hello, I'm Corinne. I'm a feng shui consultant, and today I want to talk about the power of color and how to use colors according to feng shui. Let's talk about the fire colors first. Red, which symbolizes passion and recognition, works along the whole south side of the home. The southwest is love and romance, or love and marriage. The south is fame and recognition, and the southeast is wealth and abundance. The next fire color is orange. It promotes conversation, enthusiasm, and creativity. Orange is also used in the south sector, which is the main fire sector, fame and reputation. And orange can also be used in the earth sectors as fire enhances earth. The last color for fire is purple. It symbolizes wealth, prosperity, spirituality, and creativity. Used mainly in the south sector as well as the southeast sector. Again, all fire colors can be used to enhance earth, which would be the southwest, the center, and the northeast. Before we go on to pink, which is a lighter shade of red, I want to explain that when using fire colors such as the red, orange, and purple, if it's in a place like a bedroom, a place of rest, you want to go with very soft, subtle colors, which would bring in the pink. The brighter, stronger colors can be used in areas where you want activity, where you want it to be lively, so like a dining room or a kitchen, maybe a living room, a family room. Those would be the best places to have the brighter versions of those colors. So that brings me to pink. Pink is one of the colors for your love and romance or love and marriage sector. And if it's a bedroom, I recommend that you use pink instead of red so that you can be, you can have a more restful area. Okay, moving on to earth colors, which would be primarily yellow or brown. I've only listed the yellow, but know that yellow is also representative of brown or other earth tones. So yellow is very joyful, warm, and grounding. It's the primary color for the center. You can use the brighter shades as long as it's not a bedroom again, because it is a very yang color. It is a very strong color. Earth enhances metal, so it can be used in metal sectors as well, which would be the northwest and the west. Okay, moving on to wood colors. Primarily, the wood color is green, and your wood sectors are the east and the southeast. That is your family, health, and community, and the southeast is your wealth and abundance sector. Green can be used along the whole east side of the home, northeast, east, and southeast. Green symbolizes health, growth, and prosperity, so it's great for dining room, kitchen, living room, office. When it comes to greenish blues like teal, it's also considered a wood color, so you can use teals in these areas as well. Green is also one of the colors for the northeast, which is the knowledge and self-cultivation sector. Wood enhances fire, so you can use green in the fire sector. Okay, moving on to water. Water is primarily black or blue. So I'm going to cover the blues first. Blue is very calming and is associated with knowledge. The only water sector is the north. So of course, dark blue works great there. The knowledge and self-cultivation sector is also blue. One of the colors for the east is blue. It's green and blue. So you can use blue there. You can use the teal blues there. You can use light blue, dark blue, any blue color would work there. You can support the wood with water. So you can apply watercolors to wood sectors as well. The next watercolor is black, again, the north. And black can be used along the whole north side of the home because black can also be a metal color. And it's also one of the colors for knowledge and self-cultivation. So all along the north side of the home, the northeast, the north, and the northwest, you can use black. Black is water, so it supports wood, so you can use that in the wood sectors. Black symbolizes power, introspection, and spirituality. Before we go on to the metal colors, I want to talk about the west. The west is a metal sector, but it calls for white and bright pastels. Bright pastels are stimulating and calming at the same time. So you could see how that would make a really good children's room, or you are a very creative person, that would be a great area for you to work there. Bright pastels represent clarity, optimism, relaxation, and joy. Finally, we're getting to the metal sectors. The metal sectors are the northwest and the west, and the colors for the northwest are gray, black, and white. White being the primary metal color, so white can be used in both those sectors. White represents new beginnings, purity, and clarity. Whites and metals can be used in those two sectors and also the north, because metal supports water. So any metals or white can be used in the water sector. Silver represents clarity, precision, and structure. Gold represents wealth, prosperity, power, and good fortune. If you're like me, you're probably wondering, does that mean I can't use these colors in other parts of my home? And the answer is yes, you can use the colors in other parts of your home, but what I would do is I would apply the Bagua map over just that room and then use the colors according to the Bagua map in just the room alone. When you place the Bagua map over the whole house, that's called the macrocosm, and when you place the Bagua map over just one room, it's the microcosm. I hope this video brings clarity as far as how to use color in Feng Shui and what the colors symbolize and represent. And if you got anything out of this video, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel.